awesome, man. We're out riding. Looking down here, traffic is just, you know, it's getting there. It's almost, the foot traffic in town, though, definitely not there. And I guess rightfully so, because it's not next week yet. I guess May 1st is first, I don't know, round of openings or whatever, or soft openings for some stuff, or, you know, I don't know, man. I need a haircut. I'm starting to look really freaking bad. Well, that's debatable. I may have always looked bad. So I got a camera shot of my camera. I don't know, like I said, I'm trying this mount and seeing different things, what works, what doesn't, how it is up there. It's really strong mount. It's grippy. Grips really good. Same top, off of Amazon. The Gopro one was, geez, $30 more, a little less than $30 more. The only thing that's aggravating right now with Amazon is their shipping is really bad. Well, there's no real rhyme or reason to where or what, or, you know, I'm doing. I'm just riding. It's certainly not the way I wanted the trip to go. Devil's Den is way too crowded. Well, you saw what happened at the cemetery. Man, I feel bad. Jeez. You don't know, you don't know. Now I know. And I'll plan that one different. That's for sure. Won't do that again. There's a lot of bikes there. What? What the hell are they doing? Should have got a photo at V-Twin Drive, just because V-Twin. I'll send some motovlogging if you ain't gonna take pictures of anything. Hi there. Alright, so that was, then we could have stopped there and we could have got some stuff at Battlefield. Harley-Davidson. No. There's some, oh, that's what we were talking about. I guess the service departments and stuff are open. Other stuff is all closed. When we head south for our trip, coming up in June 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, something like that. That weekend anyway. It's a long weekend. We're taking Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And we are riding all the way down 81. To Kona Rock, Virginia, where from there we ride out to the back of the Dragon, Marion. We're gonna go down to the tail of the Dragon. And where else we going? We're gonna come back up to Gatlinburg, and there's gonna be 1,000 miles, but you know, ain't over 1,000, probably 1,500 miles road in that weekend. We're gonna crank it out. It's gonna be beautiful. It was a beautiful ride last time. Plenty of room, dude. Plenty of room, bro. I don't know why people come that way anyway. I don't know why people go this way, because you just can't. This is taking us 30 back over to 116. You take 116 back up into town, you go all over the place with it. Head towards Hanover. If you really want to torture yourself. I'll do a Hanover ride sometime. Confederate Calvary Avenue. That's where we are. Good times. Hey, the one thing about the camera up here now, you're not staring at my crotch. Oh man. So do I, cone, sweet cone, I'll save that for when I can take the kiddo. But there is Uncle Moe's. I got cheated on that last week. Didn't get to go. They don't make that happen this week. Get set. You know what? That makes for great content, man. Food trucks. Boom. Hopefully I got enough video, enough battery to get there. The rate these guys are going. Uh-oh, I don't have a mask with me. Shame, shame. See how fun this would be without people? I would get in better practice for the dragon. The dragon. Alright, so we're going to come down here, we're going to make a right, and then we're going to make another right, and we're going to head on down, and we're going to have some Uncle Moe's. We are going to mess up some catfish wrap. We're going to mess up some catfish wrap. Oh, come on, dude. Really? Really? Chuck a rock at my head. Poof. Look at that. Where do we park?